Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because I am officially back for good on my 3-day-a-week schedule. I might change it to 2, we'll see how it goes. I know that I've been absent for like a hot minute. Like I've been uploading, but I haven't been like on my consistent schedule for at least a month and a half since we moved into the new house. And I do apologize for that. It has just been crazy for me trying to get everything together. We've been buying stuff, changing stuff. It's literally been insane. And I finally got a table that sits in front of me because I have the one behind me because that is my backdrop, as you guys know. Because I mean, look at the windows. They're bringing in so much light. I have 3. I have one over here and then the 2 behind me. It's amazing. But anyways, so I finally got a tray because I didn't have something. I sat down to film a video, a makeup tutorial, and I was like, I don't have a tray. So I was trying to figure out the best one that I could possibly do. So yeah, I am back. I have my tray. It's actually better than like the one I used to have. That was at Chuck's mom's house, so it's great. So I'm not gonna waste your time. This is just a really simple video. I've actually been wanting to do this video for quite some time now. I didn't know if you guys would like it, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. So it is essentially my quick 5 to 10 minute makeup, like no makeup look. It's not full glam, it's very light. It's just simple, easy if you need to get out the door, because if you're like me, I mean, I work from home Monday through Friday, so if I need to go out, I don't want to spend like 20 minutes on my face. I just want to do a quick little, you know, not look like I just, you know, I've been sitting in the house all day. No pun intended. So I just got off work. I am about to head out to run some errands. So yeah, I just wanted to sit down and film this video with you guys because I legit want to be out the door in like 10 minutes. So this is just going to be a quick video. But I finally got my tray last night, so I wanted to film this for you guys. Alright, so if you want to see my quick, easy, no mess, no fuss, no, literally foolproof, easy, quick, get out the door, makeup tutorial, then let's just go ahead and get started. Like I said, this is a really quick, simple, easy makeup tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 products right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is like kind of like a I always say Tarte Shape Tape dupe. And then I take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light. And I mix these 2 together on my face. And basically what I'm just going to do is I'm going to spot conceal. So like around my nose is red. I have some spots on my chin, like acne scars, some redness here. I'll cover up like dark circles here. And I just kind of spot conceal. So that's all we're going to do with these. It's just really simple. You're not going to do like a full face or anything. So especially around like your really bad areas. So like for me, my nose, under my eyes, and then I spot conceal. So I just do like a layer of the light, and then I do a layer of this cream color just because it's not as light. I do some of that there. And then I don't use a beauty blender with this because I'm all about time and just trying to, you know, get things going. So what I do is I just take this, it's this Real Techniques, I think it's called a blend and blur. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just take this and any excess I'll just kind of rub out. All right, and then there we go, we're done with that piece. If you wanted to stop right here, throw on some mascara and be out the door, you could totally do that. I just take it a little bit further just because I want to just add a little bit more because that's my life. So next what I'm gonna do is take the Smashbox pressed powder in number 3 and then the Airspun powder. And what I do is kind of mix these, and then what I do is I set all of that concealer so that it doesn't move. Of course, we all know that when Airspun is in the picture, it causes a mess. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just because I mainly mix the two because the Smashbox is too dark for me at this current time of my life. So I just do a light dusting of that, nothing crazy at all. Because I don't want to like add color per se. I just, you know, like I said, it's a very light coverage. You know, I have redness on my cheek that's still poking through. All of my moles are still poking through. It's nothing crazy, but it's enough to where it's not just bare skin, you know? Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Bronzer. And I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to bronze up the skin. Plus, you know, it's like spring right now and this stuff that smells like coconuts. So I'm just going to add some definition. You know, you don't have to be precise with this. We're not doing anything crazy. And then I just take this brush, go back over it, kind of blend it all out, you know. Nothing crazy. Then I'm going to take just a makeup brush, any makeup brush, doesn't matter. I'm just going to define the crease a little bit, bring it underneath my eyes. This has been my latest obsession. I'm gonna do my more in-depth, sorry if I keep looking over here, my cat is just like looking at me and I'm like waiting for her to cry and for you guys to hear it. So I'm just bringing, I'm not being precise with this either. I mean, this is literally foolproof. It's kind of like the messy person's, like if you don't want to be precise one day, just fill out this makeup look. It'll make you look put together, but not, you know, foolproof, like I said. All right, next we're gonna put some highlight on. This is the Lorac Starlit Powder. And I'm just going to, you know, highlight those cheekbones. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting, so please bear with me there. A little brow bone highlight never hurt anybody. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. Really quick. When are those two words ever put together? Just gonna pull my mirror up. Hopefully you guys can't see it. Nope, good. All right. I've been trying this less is more approach. I say that, and it doesn't always turn out that way. All right, there's one. I'm just gonna do the other one and then I'll be right back. All right, and then I'm gonna put some clear brow gel on. And then we have the Benefit Bang Bang mascara. Bad Gal Bang, I think. Yeah. And what is a day without getting mascara on my actual face? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take this off my face and then wrap up this video. Alright everybody, this is the completed look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm still trying to get the lighting down. I think I'm gonna have to bring in my 2 other umbrella lights. I didn't think I was going to have to with all the lighting in here, but with the light coming in from the background, I need more light coming towards the front of me. So yeah, and unfortunately I can't bring those blinds down because then it would be pitch black in here. So yeah, but this is the completed look. I'm going to jet. I've got to go. I've got errands to run. I'm trying to be back by like 5 o'clock if possible. You feel me? But yeah, if you guys liked this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you want to be a part of the Sam fam. And also, because Facebook is difficult, be sure to hit the bell for future notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I will be back for all of my wonderful 3 times a week videos. So I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.